Sai Tech and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's we'll try to do the green tint issue comparison between all of these four smartphones which I got right now, as you can clearly see, friends. So previously I did experience this kind of green tint issue only in the iQOO 7 and the Mi11X device. These two smartphones, I do agree there's a green tint issue is going on, but with the OnePlus 9R and the Realme X1 Max, so my unit doesn't have any kind of problem. And in case if you're having the OnePlus 9 or the Realme X1 Max and if you're facing the green tint issue, so make sure to comment below, friends. That will be really helpful for me and a lot of other users as well. So in case if you want to know what is green tint, in-depth tutorials on each and every smartphones, try to search in the YouTube green tint Sai Tech Guru. You can get all my videos which I uploaded previously. That will be really helpful for you in terms of knowing which has got more green tint. So regarding the update, the iQOO team, they did promise us that green tint problem will be fixed with the next update. So that is, I think, 1.75 and I'm not sure 1.72.8, I think so. But right now I'm still running the 1.72.1 only. I did not receive the latest update. I'm just waiting. So let's see, friends, what will be the green tint issue, which phone will be having the worst green tint issue. That is what I'm going to compare during this time of demonstration. So first step is to turn off the surrounding lights and keep the dark mode in all the four smartphones. That is what I'm going to do right now. So test number 1 is to turn off the lights, and then I'll try to open the Google Chrome application in all the four smartphones, and I'll try to open mainly, incognito mode. Yes, I'll try to open the incognito mode in all the smartphones, and I'll keep it ready, everything, get set, go type. So just remember the phones where the locations are iQOO 7, Mi11X, OnePlus 9R and the Realme X1 Max. So because after I turn off the lights, you won't be able to get to know which phone is what phone. That is the reason I'm trying to show you now itself. Let me quickly turn off the lights right now in all the studio. As you can see, complete pitch dark right now. Let me try to decrease the brightness and open the Google Chrome browser. And if you want to download this live wallpaper, so make sure to check the links in the description, friends. You can find this kind of cute looking wallpapers as well. All the links will be out in the description below. As you can clearly see, friends, all the four smartphones are completely in the very low brightness mode right now. You may not be able to see much of the phones, but let me quickly show the green tint problem, which phone has got a major kind of issue with the green tint. So if you notice now, the green tint you can clearly observe in one smartphone, so which is the Mi11X device. Yes, friends, so in the Mi11X device, this is the part where you will be experiencing the green tint issue when you're trying to use in this kind of mode, using the incognito mode with the low brightness, as you can clearly see, and the low brightness even with the surroundings as well. In the dark condition, this is how it looks, all the phones. And right now the iQOO 7 device, this is how it looks, the iQOO 7 device. Let me slightly increase the brightness and decrease the brightness. I'm trying to increase and decrease. Somewhere around you will be able to see some kind of green tint going on. I'm not sure exactly in which kind of percentage of the brightness there should be. So usually the green tint should happen somewhere around this kind of brightness only. When I did a before testing, that is when I did find out complete green everywhere green. And there's one more setting in the settings. Let me try to show you, friends. Try to go to the display. So here's the display option. And there's an option which is called the low of brightness and anti-flickering. If I try to disable that option, sometimes you will be able to see that. Let me see whether I will be able to see that kind of green tint or not. Slightly increasing the brightness. I'm trying to look. I cannot find any kind of green tint at this moment. So make sure to comment below, friends, in case if you feel anything green is going on in this phone. But in the Mi11X device, yes, you can find the green tint issue in the Mi11X device somewhere in this spot. You can see clearly the green tint type problem in this phone. That only happens when the brightness is kind of slightly low brightness. Now you will be able to see it clearly, friends. In terms of the green tint problem is there. Slightly more in the Mi11X device, but in the OnePlus 9R I cannot see any kind of green tint issues, even with the low brightness mode, as you can see. So no kind of green tint, completely kind of gray only the image. And the Realme X1 Max, as you can see here, there is not much green tint is going on as well in the Realme X1 Max as well. You can compare the colors, but slightly the OnePlus 9R looks really good, like grayish color, perfectly same color, but Realme X1 Max, it looks kind of slightly more, I think, gray, dark gray something, but not green, as you can see, friends. And overall in this kind of incognito mode test, the clear winner is a Mi11X device in terms of having the more green, as you can clearly see. So in case if you feel any of your units are having similar kind of problems, so make sure to comment below. So this is another test which I'm trying to do, which is a YouTube test as well. If you try to turn on the dark mode and if you try to open the YouTube application, so you'll be able to see on the top area some kind of greenish color going on. And in the iQOO 7 device, something I'm seeing some kind of different colors sometimes, as you can see somewhere around here. I'm not sure. I'm going to slightly increase and I'm trying to decrease the brightness little by little. Let's see what will happen. And some people, they did notice some kind of greenish color going on in the notification. Yes, in the IQ7 device there is kind of a greenish color going in the notification particularly. So now you'll be able to see it, I think so. Some kind of green color, slightly little bit less brightness. I'm trying to put maybe in 5% some kind of brightness around here. Some kind of greenish color will be going on in this IQ7 device. That is another test you can do actually. So in the YouTube test you can see, friends, the difference. Sometimes the greenish is going on here as well in the YouTube test. So this is another test, which is a screen white balance test, where you will be able to see the perfect green tint here. One more thing, friends, I'm not trying to point out only at the MI Linux device. So this is an issue which has been happened with plenty of other users, and they did replace their unit and they was able to solve this green tint problem completely. So in case if you feel this kind of problem, make sure to replace or go to the service center. So this is a part which I'm trying to look. So it's not that green, but if you try to observe in the MI Linux device, so slightly looks kind of more greenish kind of color in this kind of part. So somewhere around here, as you can see. So most of the time it do happen this kind of on the top area in the MI Linux device, as you can see, friends. So if you try to compare with the OnePlus Nano, you will be able to see it. In the OnePlus Nano you can see everything is gray. It should be like this, exactly like the OnePlus. I'm trying to use with the minimum brightness only, as you can see, friends, very low brightness. So it should be completely like this, but not like this greenish color. And even the Realme X1 Max, let me try to compare. Let's see, Realme X1 Max is also kind of okay, I would say. It's not that much green tint issue is going on. But basically, friends, green tint issue right now can be found in the MI Linux more than the IQ7 device, slightly more, as you can see, friends, clearly. And make sure to comment below, friends, in case if you feel the same problem or not. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel, friends. Also stay tuned for more updates which I'm going to do in the next couple of days as well on all of these 4 smartphones. So this is the overall green tint issue. Right now the green tint issue can be found only in the MI Linux device at this moment of time. So a little bit on the IQ7 as well, but I'm still waiting for the software update which might be able to fix this kind of issues. So let's hope for the best. The green tint problem should be gone. I'm not trying to be completely against this MI Linux device, but I'm just trying to point out some kind of problems where a lot of users are actually complaining to me. So that is the reason I thought of making this kind of video, and just to make clear so which phone has got what type of problems in terms of the display. And next thing, the IQ7 has got the screen flickering issue as well. That is another biggest problem which is going on in some units. So make sure to type in the YouTube IQ7 screen flickering site. You can find all my videos. So thank you, friends, for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more updates, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.